not much money you're making, you have to do some faking.
We have to take this 520 badge off because we don't want people to know that it's 520. Once it's all pimped up, they're gonna think it's M5, baby. But don't go sticking M5 badges on and stupid shit like that, because people are gonna know it's not M5 and you're gonna look like a twat. So I think the best thing to do is maybe leave it off or stick a sneaky M badge on there. Anyway, do the usual, put it under there. Pull it probably from this side. Oh yeah, it's already nicely coming off. See what he does, boys and girls? Just slices it off. Oh. I think it's enough heating now. Simple as that. And then, to get all this off, it's good to use some degreaser. Right, to take all this annoying 3M tape residue off, you need to spray plenty of degreaser on there. Leave it for a couple of minutes. Right, now when it's soaked in, use heat, because heat is most important in everything. And just start pushing it off. See, it comes off nicely. Actually, it might be even better to use your finger or something, or use a credit card. Alright, so the most annoying bit to deal with is all this 3M tape residue. So basically you want to get it like this and get all these lines out. So for this you need some T-cut. So get plenty of T-cut on quite a rough towel, napkin, or well, not napkin, cloth, and you know, rub it and try and get as much of it as possible. Now it will not all come off with T-cut, as I will show you. I mean, if you rub it long enough, it might, but it is a rather long process. I mean, it's easier to see, you know, we've taken most of it off and there is just some residue left on there. So again, get all trusty degreaser out, and then you can see where all this residue is still stuck on there, and just carefully prise it off with your card or ruler or anything, you know, take it all off. And it's also good just to use your finger even. I mean, if you have a look at this spot here, if you rub it long enough, it goes. So, T-cut, degreaser, scraping off, finger, and it will all go eventually. So out of all the tools, your finger turns out to be the best one, as always. And that's why your girlfriend says as well, because you got a very, very small cock.
Very nice.
Your finger saves the day. All the time. Oh. But anyway, you give it a rub like this.
Finger does the job, then I take it.
Oh yeah. See?
So save your money and use your fingers. That's what I recommend.
And if your dick doesn't work, and probably doesn't, most of our viewers who watch our program, so use finger as well for that. But anyway, it's pretty much all off. I mean, this guy's gonna go to a professional spray shop to get bits resprayed, so I'm gonna get him to machine polish this. But even without that, I think we've done a pretty good job. So this is how you debadge your car.